Hi, it's Cindy Fodor here with the Joyful Heart Stampers. And I'm just popping on here to make sure that you know that you are welcome to join our team. And I want to give you a couple reasons why you might want to do that and why this week is a really good time to do that. So let me just start at the top. To join our team, you would sign up as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And when you do that, Stampin' Up! Has a fabulous kit for starting. So it is $125 worth of product that you get to pick for only $99. Plus, they don't charge you any shipping on it, and you know how much that eats up. So it's $125 worth of product for $99 plus tax. It comes in Pennsylvania, it comes to like $104. So it is a fabulous, fabulous idea. Not only that, it's a great savings, but once you sign up, you continue to get great savings. You continue with a 20% discount, and then eventually you can advance and you can get to where you're getting 25% off of everything you purchase. It is just a fun, fun way to do your hobby because you're getting a savings and you can get more bang for your buck. Now, why am I telling you this now? Well, partly because we have a special going on in celebration, but also because if you have gotten your new catalogs, you know that there is a ton of stuff in there that you are going to need to purchase to add to your stamping collection. It is just incredible. So I want to tell you so that you know that you can get a discount on everything. Not just the discounts that you get on the bundles that are in the catalog, but also that additional 20% you get off of everything. And the really cool thing about it is you can even be your own hostess as well and get the hostess benefits. So it is just a win-win-win the whole way across the board. So who should do this? Everybody. Everybody should do this. Um, it's almost like say me buying nutritional supplements. Why not get a membership if I'm going to be buying something on a regular basis and get the discount as a member? So basically, this is like becoming a member so that you can constantly get the discount. And of course, there's a special going on. So let me tell you about that a little bit. So we have Stampin' every year when the new catalog comes out, Stampin' Up! Comes out with a new set of designer papers to coordinate with all of our colors that are in the catalog. And this time, all of those are yours when you sign up during celebration. Okay? And it looks like this. It's a huge stack of designer paper, and it's 200 extra sheets, and that would cost you if you bought it. I'm trying to think. It's like 40 some six. It's about $60, I believe, worth of product that you get for free in addition to that great special deal on the kit. So I will show you. I have a picture of those all laid out just so you can see the different patterns and stuff. But I'll show you that in a second because I don't want to switch to that camera yet. But the other thing that I wanted to mention, don't want to forget anything that I wanted to talk about here. So the other reason that you may want to join right now is because our team is just gearing up for a new year. We are the Joyful Heart Stampers, and we offer a lot in our group. I do weekly touch bases, or I have a little devotional, a little sharing time. We talk about the news of Stampin' Up, things that are happening. We talk. I usually share some projects each week. Right now it's Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock. So that's for my team. That's for anybody that joins our team. And then we also have a monthly Zoom call and event where we stamp together. I usually have a mystery project, maybe a packet of projects that you can purchase ahead of time if you don't want to have to cut your own. And then we play together. We talk about ideas and things like that, and even some business tips. If you choose to make this your business, it might be something helpful to hear from other girls who are doing things similar to what you want to do. Um, so those are some of the things we offer. I also have quarterly events where we get together and stamp together, and it's so much more fun. Of course, this past year has changed some of that. I'm hoping we will get back to that again, because I love giving hugs and seeing your smiling faces and enjoying stamping ideas together, and everybody shares in the event. So yeah, so that's just a few of the things we offer. And then, of course, um, my uplines team has additional things that are offered every single month, and that my anybody who joins this team can take advantage of those as well. So that's just a short list of what happens with our team. Um, and then, of course, Stampin' Up! Offers support to you as well. They have some Facebook groups that are fabulous. I get so many ideas there. There's so many people willing to share what they have done, and it's just a great place to share. Excuse me. Um, so let me. I told you that this kit that you can purchase is anything that you want. But I also know that sometimes people don't know what they want. And so depending on where you are, maybe you're brand new, or maybe you have quite a collection and you just want things from the new catalog. I'm going to just give you 4 different options that you can take or leave, but might be helpful to you, might at least spark some thought as to, like, oh yeah, I need that, and why don't I just get it for the discount, right? So let me flip over to the camera here so that you can see on the screen. So, okay, what happened to my camera? Okay, there we go. All right, so this is the first one, and I call this Just Tools. It has a paper trimmer. It has the mini die cut and emboss machine. So if you already have the big one, but you want a small one so that you can carry it with you and transport. The heat tool is one of our really essential tools. And then I tossed in a B block just because there was about $6 left to reach the 125 level. Okay, so that's one option. A second option is the big Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. If you've been waiting to get this, it's a great time to get it. You can get this and a pack of dimensionals. That would be $124. You would be getting this kit, this whole thing, for $99 and saving the shipping cost. Okay, think about that. Amazing. All right, this one is has some stamping stuff in it. It has the mini cut and emboss machine. It has the new stamp set, Floating and Fluttering, and the dies. It has, and all the plates for the machine are here. And then it has the set of embossing folders that fit in this, the narrow ones, called Greenery Emboss Folders. And then an assortment of cardstock of your choice. And that comes to $103.75. Okay? So there's another option for you. You've got your mini cut and emboss, you've got some dies, you've got some embossing folders, and you have a stamp. So this will really go a long way to get you going. You'll need some ink yet. You've got your paper in the kit here. So this is a great little kit. And then this one is, this is all things stamping, basically. So I threw in a whole suite of products from the new catalog. We've got your art gallery and dies. We've got the paper. We've got the back here behind is, it's hiding, and I don't know why I didn't reposition this, but this is the window sheet foil paper back here that coordinates. And if you saw my other video, you saw the paper and that together. I don't think I have my samples right handy here to show you that, but beautiful paper with gold embossing on it. This is an embossing folder that goes with this. It's a paint texture. Some ribbon it's a tan with some golden flecks in it. Then we have the gold foiling with the heat and stick powder. And then I tossed in here this set of stamps because this whole suite of products was only $102.25. So you still had about $17 to spend, and actually about 20 some dollars to spend. So I chose a stamp set that I really like from the catalog, and they go nicely together. And then you also got a set of glue dots, which they're falling off the picture over here, but and that's $124.50. All of that stuff for $99. Okay, so those are four choices, and of course they are not the only choices. They're just four choices that I thought could be helpful for you to choose from. So so what I would like to encourage you to do, if you're seeing this on YouTube, I will have a link below where you can click on my website and you can join now. You can choose any of those four, or you can choose your own products. If you have any questions, you can message me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might still have that I didn't answer today. And if you're watching this on our group Facebook page, then please contact your demonstrator to get more information and get her link so that you can sign up under her to join our team. And also, if you're watching it on my Facebook group, of course, you can find my link there where you can sign up and just click join now. And you'll be able to put the items in that you want, and you'll be ready to get started. And as soon as you do that, as soon as you get your kit ordered, you can go in and get into your site and order whatever you want at your discount. It starts immediately. So it's a really cool thing. I do want to just say I'm going to try to do some answers to some questions that you might have. A lot of people say to me, what do I have to do? Well, Stampin' Up! Is not asking you to sign up. They're not going to say like, oh, you have to agree to do so many parties, you have to agree to do whatever sales or whatever. There's nothing like that. Absolutely, you won't see any of that in print. All they say is you sign up. If you enjoy it, you stay. If you don't enjoy it, you don't stay. Basically, that's how it works. I always tell my customers, you can always go back to being a full paying customer if you get tired of the discount, or maybe you buy everything that you want and you don't need anything else. So then you just let it go and it goes away. And the reason it goes away is if you don't keep up with your minimums, which are $300 a quarter, then we'll send you a message saying, hey, just want to make sure you're impending here. Don't want you to miss out on your discounts. And you might tell me like, okay, I'm finished. I've got everything I want, or it's not working for me right now, or whatever your reason. As long as you know that that's what's happening, I'm good with that. Okay. I don't pressure people. I don't pressure people to buy. I don't pressure people to sell. But I am here to support you if you do decide to take this to a business, or I signed up for the discount. I signed up because I loved it, because I was already telling everybody about it, basically. And my husband said to me, why aren't you doing this for your... I did. I did. And almost 25 years ago now, I am still loving every minute of it. And it certainly has its challenges, especially this year, and especially having to go on camera to talk to my customers when I'm used to seeing them face to face has been a big change for me. But I've done it. I've learned how to do it. I'm still not great at it, but I'm totally comfortable in my weaknesses. So, anyways, welcome to our team. I'd be so excited to have you. I'd love to see you getting the discounts as well, and having all the other benefits. All of my team members are always asking people who come to classes, why aren't you joining us? Because we're a community of friends, and we have so much fun together. So if that's what you're looking for, we have that here, and we will be happy to have you as part of our group. All right. Again, be sure and comment. Let me know if you need anything, if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later. Take care. God bless.